So here I am on dashboard of Odoo, and to see in this tutorial that how the products from Shopify e-commerce platform can be imported to Odoo ERP, let me again switch to Shopify in Odoo. So in the tutorial of configuration settings, you've seen that I had created connector with name Setu Shopify. So at present, no products from online e-commerce platform of Shopify is imported to Odoo ERP. So here you can see that 0 products are created. If I switch to Shopify template functionality under this products menu, then you can see that at present no products are imported in Odoo ERP. So now to see that how the products can be imported, for that switch to this operations menu. But before that, let me switch to online Shopify e-commerce platform, and then if I switch to products, then all these products will be imported to Odoo ERP. So let me switch back to again Odoo. Now to import products from Shopify e-commerce platform to Odoo ERP, switch to this Shopify operations under operations menu. So I'm switching to Shopify operations functionality. So here let me select the connector that is set to Shopify. Then let me select over here in operations import products, and in that sync option you need to select the import based on whether it is update date or create date. So let me explain what does this mean. Well, if you select this create date option, then the timeline that you have selected here for from date and to date, for this much of the scheduled time, the products that are created in Shopify e-commerce platform, that will be imported to this Odoo ERP. If I have selected over here update date option, then the products whose details or data is updated in Shopify e-commerce platform during this timeline will be updated to Odoo ERP. So at present, let me select this create date option, as I need to at present first create the products from Shopify e-commerce platform to Odoo ERP. That is imported. So next, let me select timeline. So I'm selecting timeline from 1st of the December. 1st of the December. So here I am on dashboard of Odoo, and to see that how the products can be imported. So here I am on dashboard of Odoo, and to see that how the products from Shopify e-commerce platform can be imported to Odoo ERP. So here I am on dashboard of Odoo, and in this tutorial to see that how the products from Shopify e-commerce platform So here I am on dashboard of Odoo, and in this tutorial to see that how the products from Shopify e-commerce platform can be imported to Odoo ERP, let me switch to Shopify. Well, in the tutorial of configurations, you seen that I had created connector with name Setu Shopify, and in that at present no products are imported to Odoo ERP. So now here to see that how the products can be imported, let me first switch to this products menu, and in that Shopify template functionality. So you can see over here that no products are imported from online Shopify e-commerce platform. So if I switch to Shopify e-commerce platform, and then in that products, then this is the list of all the products that I want to import to Odoo ERP. So let me switch to Odoo, and here show you that how the products from that online platform can be imported to this Odoo ERP. So for that, switch to Shopify's operations under this operations menu. So I'm switching to Shopify operations. Here I need to select the connector. So let me select Setu Shopify connector which I had created, and in operations select import products operation, and in the sync option I need to select that import based on whether it is create date or update date. So if I select this option, that is create date, then for the timeline that I select here, the products that were created in Shopify online e-commerce platform, that will be imported to Odoo ERP. If I select over here this update date option, then the products whose details or data was updated in online Shopify e-commerce platform during this timeline, that will be updated to Odoo ERP. So here, let me select this create date option at present, as I want to first import the products to Odoo ERP. And over here now, if I enable this option, that is, do you want to update existing products, then what this will do, that it might happen that the products that are created in Shopify online platform, that is already available in Odoo. So for that, I need to update the data. So if I enable this, then for the existing products in Odoo ERP, the data of the products from Shopify e-commerce platform will be updated. So next, let me select timeline. So if, for example, I select it from 1st of the December 2021 to 5th of the Jan 2022. So for this much amount of timeline, the products that were created in Shopify e-commerce platform will be imported to Odoo ERP. So let me click on this perform operations. So now here you can see that all the products are being imported to Odoo ERP, and at present it is in draft state. So you can see here that at present the products, whether they are created or updated, it is in chain to import its data in Odoo ERP. So you can complete this process chain manually also. Otherwise, by default, the timeline that is scheduled in the cron method, within that timeline, these products will be updated or created in Odoo ERP. So at present, let me create it using process chain manually. Okay. So clicking on process chain manually, now you can see that all the products are created and Odoo ERP and all are in done state. So you can over here see that total 69 records of the products are created. All 69 products are in done state. No product is under failure state. So if I switch to now products and in that Shopify template, then all the products that we seen in online Shopify e-commerce platform is now available in Odoo ERP. This is in template form. If I select any one product individually, then details about these products will be available here, like it is created using which connector, what is the template, this product is under which category. If I switch to variants, then number of variants available for this product, its details is visible here. If I switch to the sync option, then details like when was the template for this product created in Shopify online e-commerce platform, when was it published, what was the last time when it details about this product was updated in Shopify e-commerce platform, all such details appears here. So if I switch now to Shopify variants, then all variants about all the products from Shopify e-commerce platform is visible over here in Odoo ERP. So this is how the products from online Shopify e-commerce platform is imported to Odoo ERP. Well, to see various other operations, if I switch to Shopify operations, then to see other operations of this import, like import customer, unshipped orders, export stock, all these operations, switch to next tutorials. So thank you for listening till now, and for any queries you can contact us through details mentioned in the description below.